This is a quick video to show you how to open the Hibernation case. I drew a line on this one edge right over here, and you're going to hook your fingernail of your thumb underneath it, and then this tab has an X on it. You're just going to push down on it with your finger. So you basically just hook your thumbnail underneath that edge and press with your finger, and it opens up. So real quick, thumbnail underneath, push on the X, and it opens right up. I fought with it for a little bit, that's why I made the video. So the other one doesn't have an X on it, but you can see the ridge here and the tab that you have to press on. It's actually the easiest way because you're not holding it against the other case. So that's it.